What's up? It's Jason. I got some airsoft guns here. Got 4 of them. I'm gonna take a shot with each of them. Hitting its belly. The weakest to most powerful. That one's about 150 feet per second. That one's about 200. Then you really step it up with that pink one, that's about 325. And that shotgun's 355. That one's gonna hurt. I think they're all gonna hurt, but I'm gonna take a shot in the gut with all of them. Self-inflicted. Start this one. I'll hold them back about a couple inches, get max velocity. That one's stunned. I'll tell you that much. Starting to feel it. Let's do the one that's about 200. That one hurt more, for dang sure. Oh shoot, that one's stinging. I'm looking forward to this one. This one's almost double the power of the last one. Alright, let's go right there in the middle. That one killed. Oh man, if I can take that one, I can take this one. Oh shoot. I'm gonna go a little lower on this one. Last one hit me in the fat, so I'm alright, but man, it sting like a bee. I don't know if the damage has set in yet. It's starting to. Alright, let's see here. There's the one. In the light. That one's the one with the 150 feet per second. There's the one with 200. Right there, 200 feet per second. Oh man, that's the one from the 325. Now, down here's the one with the 355. And 325 and that 355. It got some bite behind it. Those other two weren't so bad.